So today I have a little bit of a project I need to do. At the end of our street is where our meters are for the water. So somebody was bush cutting there and they snapped the end of the shutoff valve for the PVC pipe. So today I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys how to swap out that broken piece or any PVC pipe if you have like a leak and you found where that spot is. So the various materials you're going to be needing. So you need to figure out the size of your PVC pipe. I'm not too sure. I think mine is either 1/2 or is a 1.5 or 1/2 inch or 3/4 of an inch. Then you need your shutoff valve here at the end so that you can, I'm gonna be installing that today. How this works is pass your meter is your responsibility according to GWA. Anything before that is the responsibility of GWA. Yeah, so since it's past my meter, I have to be the one to go ahead and replace it and fix it. So these are the various things you're going to be needing. So a couple couplings. So this is just basically to put at the end of where you cut or take out the damaged pipe. Then you place the cement over there on the ends, make sure it's a snug fit, and then let it sit and let it harden. That way you can put your water back on. So second, we're gonna need to cut the pipe somehow, and this is what I use, is a PVC cutter, and it makes the process a lot easier than anything else. Next, you're gonna need like a vice grip or like some pliers or pinchers to go ahead and remove this hard cap on the end of the cement. And lastly, you want to make sure you have some gloves, like nitride gloves or little disposable gloves, because you do not want to get this kind of cement or anything on your fingertips, and it will be a nightmare to get rid of. All right, so yeah, that pretty much says it. So we're gonna go head over to the end of the street there and change out the broken piece at the meter, and this is the spot where it's broken here. So I'll go ahead and show what happened. Somebody was bush cutting and they broke off this side of the cap. It's supposed to look like this and be okay when you turn it on and off to shut it off, no leakage or anything, but this is what happens when I turn this one back on. Yep, going on. So what you want to do is go ahead and shut off your water on one end. And wait for that to turn off. Is I want to cut off this old end of the PVC pipe where it's damaged here and take it out. So I just need to cut it and let it go. Okay. Alright, let the pressures out. Go ahead and return my half inch PVC pipe, and I'll get it prepped. So first I need to go ahead and figure out the length from here. So I could do it one of two ways. I could just slide it on here and push it back in. So what I decided to do, go ahead and bring it out. That way if it happens again, I have a better coupling to go off and a little bit more PVC pipe to go ahead and work with next time, because it's already our cement, and we are just gonna put a healthy amount inside there, so that way it oozes and makes a really nice seal that's not gonna go anywhere for it. go ahead and put this bad boy in and brace it with my foot. And then go ahead and securely push it all the way in there. So, alright, that's now where we're at. And then we'll make a little bit more room because the way this PVC pipe is angled is not gonna line up pretty flushly with this end here. So you need a little bit of a pipe, like maybe 1 inch or 2 here, and then we'll put the coupling and then glue it back on with the rest of the cement. Putting it in the shutoff valve, really good amount, and then you want it to kind of ooze and get on the outside to create that good seal. And take our other end here, put the cement as well, kind of filling in those gaps, those little gaps, and any excess will just ooze and leak out. Here, so I'll go ahead and cut it a little bit because I have 2 ends and I need to put the pipe on. So go ahead and take care of about there, about where the glue kind of starts, and just cut that excess away.
Maybe I'll just see a little bit more. About 1.5 inches.
Bam. Throw that bad boy to the side, and then we're gonna repeat the process. Everything seems pretty snug. Alright, so there's where we installed our new part here for our shutoff valve, and where we extended from our meter over here for the PVC pipe. Now, just go ahead and have to wait and let these set for about a good hour or 2 and see how it goes. Go ahead and add some more cement on the edges because these kind of pipes are really good. They're inexpensive, but they're also prone to a lot of cracking and breaking. So they're a little bit fragile, and you might have to do this depending on where your pipes are, how far they are from your house. So maybe even relocating your meter closer to your property to do some work will be really beneficial for you in the long run. Okay, so we just finished changing the PVC pipe about an hour and a half ago. So all of the cement, the PVC cement, should have hardened by now. Leaks, no nothing, and looks like there we go, working good now. Went ahead and changed out the PVC pipe, took out the broken shutoff valve, and I showed you how to extend your PVC pipe past where it is. So if you want to go ahead and like, comment, subscribe to see any more of these videos, and also keep up to date with me in real estate. Oh yeah, okay, now we can finally, you know, actually use the toilet.